Yeah, guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to another edition of Daily Crypto Paul. And I'm super excited that you're here with me. And so, without wasting much time, let's quickly go to see what we have for today. And if you have anything to do with Binance, please watch to the end. Okay, stay to the end. Don't skip anything, stay to the end. So, without wasting much time, let's go to the news, let's go to the charts, let's dive in. Yes, guys. So yes. As usual, and as always, we start with CoinDesk. Okay. So from CoinDesk, of course, we can see a lot of other articles and about Bitcoin, and it's super amazing. Bitcoin rallied quickly to about 49,000. I mean ASAP, and so a lot of people are saying that there will be a resistance. A lot of analysts, we will check the chart ourselves. So, but a lot of analysts are saying there will be resistance at 50k. Okay. Then of course Cardano hits all-time high and the market capitalization overtakes Binance Coin, making Cardano at third position when it comes to market capitalization. Then Binance suspends features in Brazil. Okay, Binance has suspended features now in Brazil. Okay, because of a lot of regulatory requirements. And I think the most important news for a lot of us out there is down here. Binance has tightened customer verification requirements. Binance has tightened customer verification requirements, and in fact, from information sources that we have, they say they are giving, I think, up till October. Okay, for anyone that has not done KYC, you've not used an ID card, you've not done your verification on Binance, they are giving till October for you to do this. Otherwise, you might not be able to make your basic trades anymore. Okay, so you really want to consider this if you run on Binance and you've not done your KYC. For me, that's very crucial. I've always been saying this, I've always been stressing the power of the KYC thing. Okay, so then a lot of other books here, a lot of other content here. I mean, I said books, but the most important news is the Binance KYC thing. The Binance KYC thing. Of course, we can see the news of Avalanche. It's up and it's super amazing. It's nice. So, but please, the Binance KYC thing is, I think, the major key thing we saw on Cointelegraph. Alright, so from Bitcoin.com news, yeah, a lot of things police are doing also, people are working, but I think the major news here it's just the Binance KYC thing. I mean, because a lot of people run on Binance, please don't be caught unawares. If you've not done your KYC on Binance, go and do your KYC or move your funds out, move it to something like KuCoin or something else. Move your phone, you can see it here also. Binance tightens KYC procedure. Okay, alright guys, then procedure I say producer. Alright guys, so this is basically it. Let's just check the daily Odo and see what daily Odo has. Yeah guys, so I mean the daily Odo, of course you can see that they said Bitcoin partnership unlocks BTC and Ethereum, I think for about 850 merchants, something around that light. Yes, BTC and Ethereum payment for 850,000 merchants. Okay, there's this. I think there are a lot of other guys doing a lot of other things. I mean, this company is doing a lot of amazing things, and what they're trying to do is the same way. I mean, you use POS and all of that. They use the point of sale to accept Bitcoin and Ethereum payments for over 85,000 merchants. Massive adoption, and they have really cracked some of these codes, and they are really doing a lot of amazing things on in that light. So let's see what we have again. Yes, you can see the other thing we have here is that who will run the metaverse. Of course, the race for the metaverse has started. What do I mean by the metaverse? I mean just beyond the universe, the connection of the virtual reality with the real human world. Of course, Twitter, Jack Dorsey is already doing something with Square. Facebook came out recently to announce whatever they are doing, and now Vitalik, of course, Ethereum has always had the idea to run the metaverse, to connect every single thing. So Vitalik is putting out what he thinks, his own suggestions on how some of these things are. So, but it's beginning to become a race. So the social media giants, Facebook, Twitter, and now Ethereum. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Let's see how it plays. Let's see what happens. But of course, social media guys have a very good leap because they've already implemented social status and a lot of other things with their platforms. So scaling through the blockchain might be very of course might be closer for them to do, easier for them to do. People know them already. So something like Ethereum, of course, is doing a lot of amazing job. It's solving a lot of problem. But anyway, we'll see what really happens. But I love Ethereum and I believe so much in the Ethereum. But again, these big social media giants also have a very good head start. Okay, they have a very good advantage in this race as to who will run the metaverse. The metaverse basically is talking about we as humans and also in the virtual world. We living as humans in the virtual world. Everything is going to be virtual version. You can just put on a virtual mask and you can be attending lectures. You can just be attending lectures from your room. You can be working from your room. You can be doing anything from your room, and it look as if you are in the office, as if you are in the class. Okay, so it's really super amazing. So I mean that's it for the news today. Let's go to the chat and let's see what the Bitcoin is doing. Yeah, guys. So welcome to the Bitcoin chat, and man, this is very crazy and exciting. Bitcoin, of course, move up with so much momentum. I remember we were saying this yesterday. This guy could go up. He has a good chance of going up because there was this huge volume that followed that breakout we had on the 4-hour time frame. And I mean, you can see this guy is really up now, and it is exactly getting closer to the 50k resistance region. Okay, if you look at this place here, this blocks we have here, the green candles we have here, they are closely around 50k, 49,900 something region, and that has been the region we have always been eyeing as a target point. So anyway, it's gonna be decision time. We're gonna see what Bitcoin is gonna do above that region. But it's really super nice. A lot of the altcoins are up. Cardano has reached all-time high already. In terms of altcoins are moving. Some other altcoins have not moved. We're expecting the Doge to do its thing. So we just keep basically watching. Watching for those of us that have already putting our money. Those of us that have our money in. At this point, we are still not buying yet. If in case you have some extra cash you want to roll in, we are still not buying anything yet. We're just waiting for the Bitcoin to really, let's see what it's gonna do around this $50,000 region, because this is a very crucial region. Then once we begin to go above this region, I mean, then we begin to really see, well, perhaps we could be back in the bull run, and we really want to see us get back into the bull run. But still, without crossing this region, we could just roll over downwards. I mean, and go down to lower prices. Okay, so we just want to pay attention. I really want to watch. We've said this long ago, weeks ago, that we're gonna see what it's gonna do, and within the range of 45k to 50k, we're gonna try to be very careful. And so now we are almost at 50k, which is a very strong resistance point. And let's see how Bitcoin is gonna play this out. Okay. Personally, I'm really going to observe the chart. If I see any reversal pattern, I will take out profit immediately. And I'm going to update you when I get to find out reversal patterns. So guys, basically that's it. I'm trying to be very brief. Thank you so much, and see you perhaps in the evening or tomorrow. Okay, so guys, thank you so much. Yeah, guys, so all right, that's it on Daily Crypto Report for today, and I really thank you. So see you perhaps in the evening or tomorrow. Okay, and basically the tensel bounty is out. Okay, and the bounty is requiring that if you have an idea on how, I mean, a suggestion basically on how P2P transactions can be done between two people without bringing a middleman and without having these two people trust themselves. These two people can interact P2P, I mean peer to peer, without bringing any middle person, without having to trust themselves, and the whole process goes smoothly. If you have a suggestion of this, you can send your suggestion to tensel.usefull@gmail.com. I'll put the mail link down in the comment section, in the description section, so you can send your suggestion there. I mean, if your idea is the best, you're gonna receive $10. Alright guys, so as always, don't get wrecked. Bye bye. Okay.